check out our lineup of sessions. Join us for AI in digital marketing, AI productivity tools, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Power Query and Power BI. Mark your calendars for these exciting sessions.
Each session is 2 hours long, starting at 10 a.m. until 12 p.m., hosted on Zoom. And the best part? They are all free webinars. Register now to secure your spot.